In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Chrome web browser on your computer. So if you want to use Chrome on your computer, the best thing to do is to go ahead and install it. Now this process is the same on any Windows computer, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process is the same. Now the first thing you need to do is to have a browser that you will use for you to search for Google Chrome on the interweb. Now the good thing is, if you're using Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Windows comes with Microsoft Edge browser. So you can go ahead and open the Edge browser, or if you have any other browser on your computer, you can go ahead and open it. Any browser will do this. So I have here Firefox, here it is. I can go ahead and open this. Alternatively, I can go ahead and open Edge. My Edge browser is here. My Microsoft Edge browser is here. Yours should be somewhere either on the taskbar or on your desktop. And here is our Edge browser. Now from here, use this search bar on top here to search for Google Chrome. So just go ahead and search for Google Chrome and then tap on enter and begin the search. And here we go. Our first website is here, Chrome by Google. Make sure it is by Google. And we have here Google Chrome. So this is one of the fastest and the most secure web browser that you can download. Now to download this browser, go ahead and first open it and we shall land on this page. Now from here, you can see we have here the Chrome browser for Windows 11 and even Windows 10. And this is 64-bit. Now in short, it will go ahead and pick up your system type. So don't worry about your system type. For instance, mine is 64-bit. It will go ahead and detect yours and then the version will be available for you. So all you need to do from here is just go ahead and click on download Chrome. And this will begin the download process straight to your computer. Now the good thing is Google Chrome is free. You don't have to pay anything to download. So you are told here your download will begin automatically. And in case maybe it takes too long and you don't see your download, you can go ahead and do it manually. So if I go ahead and download manually, it should give us another alternative to download our Google Chrome. And as you can see, the manual process has begun and the download is on. So be patient as it downloads. And down here, you can also monitor the progress. You can see the download is on. And our download is done. And now we have our Google Chrome setup that you can just open and install on our computer. So if I go ahead and tap on this folder sign, it should take me to where the file is. And as you can see, the Chrome setup is here. It is under downloads. Now to install our Chrome app, we have to go ahead and run this setup, and it will go ahead and then install the app on our computer. So to do so, just right click on the app or on the setup. And then we'll have this option called run as admin. Go ahead and click on it. And then click yes to install. And now once you click yes, the installation process will begin. And here we go. So from the setup, it will go ahead and download all the files that are required and then install our Google Chrome app. At this point, you have to be patient as it may take some minutes to complete the process. And the download is now complete. Now from here, the installation process will begin. So within a moment, once this installation process is done, we shall see a new Chrome browser on our desktop. And that is done. And immediately look at this. We have a Chrome browser here. And look at that. Now you can start browsing. You can ask Chrome browser any question. You will now be able to access any internet website, any internet platform using this browser when you go and search for anything. So that's how we download and install Google Chrome browser on our computer. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.